Githiururi kiria githiururukiirie cira wa muimirira magiturwa kio president riu nironekana kuya mwerekera mweru muthutha wa muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati na umwe wa makamicina Professor Abdigulie ukuruhani uria wale mwandiki munene wa Jubilee Raphael Tuju na ateti angi a Azimio makirikana ati ni mageretie gutindika IEBC thoge muimirira macio niguo Raila Odinga nirorwalita muhotani. Riu Tuju ni yumiritie na gutariria maria mathire na mbere utuko ucio.
I've known the back door and I used a little bit of my public relations.
Tuju augite ati acemanirie na makamicina othe mugwanja mathaa-ini ma thaa 10 cia rucini wa tariki 15 mweri uyu, na mworoto wake gwitie mucemanio uyu na kamicina ya wari ni kuheana mateta make mati ni ari na riboti cia fomu cia 34A iria ciari rurenda-ini rwa IEBC ni cianjiriirie kurutwo na gucenjanio na ingi.
I'd received intelligence from one of the IEBC officials who complained that some Form 34A were being brought down and they were being replaced by other Form 34A. He was not able to know exactly the location from which this was happening.
Kuringana na Tuju, mucemanio uyu wakinyaniria thutha wa guterio maita matanyihiire matatu na tigiri-ini riake ria gwetha giikaro na Chebukati. Tuju ni ekireirwo mihenge itiganite hamwe nayo ari ni kugiriririo nginyagia ni maabitha a ugitiri kuona Chebukati. Muteti uyu agikirira nganja igeria ria kuhingiririo kwaria na Chebukati na ati ritiari na matanya mega.
So there are 10 of us in that room. For him to claim that I made some offers to him in front of those 10 is a tara diddle. Is a tara diddle. Petty lie.
Tuju augite ati ona thutha wa mucemanio wake na makamicina ya maabitha eri a Kenya Kwanza aria ni uria urari governor wa Turkana Josephat Nanok na mwandiki munene wa UDA Veronica Maina ni macokire makigia na mucemanio hau na IEBC. Mucemanio uria Tuju arauga Chebukati ni abatie ni kuhithuriria bururi niki kiaragiririo.
Just as he wants to tell Kenyans about the discussion we had with him at the wee hours about 4M, I think he should be honest enough to tell Kenyans what he was discussing with the Nanok and Veronica Maina as soon as we finished with him.
No kiria kironekana gukorwo gikuire burita 30 mucemanio wa Bomas indi ni micemanio iriria Tuju ahithuritie yahanikire gatagati gake na makamicina a IEBC. Umwe wetitio ni Chebukati handu hatahithuritio mwena wa Karen guku Nairobi, no ungi ugitafanio mucii gwa Tuju gatagati gake na makamicina Boya Molu na Professor Abdigulie. Nona gutwika Tuju ndahithuritie kiria kiaririirio micemanio-ini no nionanitie hotekeku wa ati ni kwari na dereti ari na mworoto wa gukinyaniria muimirira ma muthemba muna githurano-ini kinene.
What was the discussion when he came to a secret location to see me in Karen? Number 2, I want Mr. Gulie, or Professor Gulie, and Mr. Molu to explain what they came to do in my house. What was that discussion about? And the drift of that discussion was more of auctioneers rather than commissioners. I want them to say they never came to my house. I will make the CCTV cameras available at my house. Maya
magithiaga na mbere na yo ngwataniro ya mawakiri LSK ni handire cira igoti-ini ritugiru ikienda gukuruhanio hari cira wa kuregana na uhotani wa William Ruto githurano-ini kinene.
Kuna mambo ambayo katika kesi zile za mwanzo mwaka 2013 na 2017 katika upande wetu tuna hisia kwamba koti haikufikia kikamilifu mambo haya.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.